Once again, welcome back to Code Pixels. Today's our topic is about objects, which is our second video in this series. An object is a class instance that allows programmers to use variables and methods from inside the class. So by using these objects, we can access the variables and attributes of one class or another class by creating main object. By using the object, we can access methods and variables, etc. So we will be clear on by doing the practical. So as we know, class and object differences. Class is a single entity. So whereas object is having relation between one another, that is fruits. Uh, Whatever strikes in your mind when you hear the word fruits, like apple, banana, pineapple, and etc. Everything is of different entity, but similar in few aspects. That is sweetness. They have different tastes, color, and texture, size, and shapes. They might be different, but they all comes under fruits. We call fruit vendors, where the fruit vendors can sell any kind of fruits. It all comes under one singular sentence if we call the whole market is fruit sellers. That's it. Another example is if we consider a bike is a class. If we consider objects, that is the objects, if we consider the tires, headlight, what are the an extra features like engine, all this comes under objects. So another example for this objects is generally Java is an object-oriented programming language. As we all know, everything deals in Java is all about objects and classes, and how do we, static, public, all this stuff. All this stuff we are only discussing the Java. In real life, and again, bike is an object, and the bike has attributes such as weight, color, and methods such as speed and brake. All this comes under objects. So we are ready to go with our practice session. Once again, welcome back to Code Pixels. So in this tutorial, we are going to have a practice session on object program. So in Java, an object is created from a class. So here we have a class, that is public class main. Main is our class name. So why do we use this object, and what is the necessary for using this object in Java? So generally, a class have some instance variables. That is, if you create a variable that is int type of anything, that is a is equal to, let's say, 18. So how do we access this variable a? So in order to access this variable a, we must create an object. So what is the regular process for creating an object is class name. As we discussed earlier, an object is created from a class. So everything object is interrelated with class. So that's exactly the meaning of the sentence. So how do we create this object? Main class is main class. That is main is the name of the class. Main. So an object name, that is your wish, anything. So for simplicity, I'm creating just like obj, a new keyword, and then class name, that is main, close the brackets, and enter. So and now we have created an object, and the object name is obj. So by using this object obj, we can access this variable. So is this possible to access by directly access, that is obj dot a? This is not possible. We are not telling the compiler to display on the screen, so there will be nothing in here. It will show an error. So if you run the code, there is an error in the line 9. So we just comment out uh, sys out. So and now we display this variable, and fine, and just run 18. Here you go. If you change the value for 1000, it will directly change. That's it. So this is a simple way to create an object and access the variable in the class. So is there any possible way to create multiple objects? Yes, we can create multiple objects, but but not the same name but different name. But with different name, it is possible. So obj, instead of obj, I'm creating some, a number, messy. Oh, so our object name is messy, and here also same. Messi dot a. Just run the code, 1000. So if we create another variable in the class, that is int dot b is equal to 2022 FIFA. I guess everyone remember that name. B, and what will be the output? 1000 2022, and that's it. And that's it for the class. Thank you.